not just a walking zombie. Hello, we are going to try and do some vlogging. I give you full warning that I don't know what these vlogs are gonna be like. Look at these beautiful dolls. Look at you. Look at Sasha right there. I need to find a proper way to display all. These aren't all the dolls that I have. They're all in boxes at the moment. These are the ones that I was able to get out when I moved. But I need a nice little display thing so I can fit all the dolls, because the shelving that's in this room, it just is a literal, like I could fit these ones here, but the rest of the shelving is all too small and the dolls won't fit in there. So I need to kind of figure out how I can display all my dolls better. So a lot of you have seen this shelving situation here. It's all messy right now. As you can see, nothing is displayed properly because I actually changed everything when I filmed my Bratz promo video for Influential Fashion. A day in the life of Bratz Influential Fashion. Submit a new article for Bratz magazine. A quick little shopping spree. Right before band practice. Chatting with the Bratz pack. And trying new makeup looks. Bratz Influential Fashion out now on PS4, PS5, Xbox and Switch. Available at all major retailers. So I haven't put it back to how I want it to be, but I wanted to just show my, that's Aaliyah and Jet Li. Love that movie. If you haven't seen that movie, Romeo Must Die, please do yourself a favor and watch that movie. I love it. It's one of my comfort movies. But I have my Nana manga collection here. It's not complete yet. I'm missing five books. I'm missing, what am I missing? I think I'm missing so I'm missing 7. I'm missing 8. I think I'm missing 12. Yeah, missing 12 and 18, I think. Oh, and number 10. But I've got all the rest of them. I will not read these until, like, they're, as you can see, they're brand new. There's no creasing. I haven't even opened them because they're beautiful. But I haven't opened them and read them yet because I refuse to read any of them until I have the full collection, because I'll probably I just know me, I'll really binge it, and then I'll get to the book that I don't have and I'll be really upset. And so I'm just trying to wait. I've ordered the missing 5 books. Honestly, you're not going to believe me, but I ordered them early last year and they still haven't arrived yet. It just says that it's on back order and hasn't been delivered to the warehouse yet. So please put out some Christmas energy and fingers crossed for me that these missing 5 books will get delivered to me before the end of the year. That would be amazing because it's literally been over a year. I've found with my chronic fatigue and my fibro that helps me a bit is if I just write down just 1 or 2 things that I want to achieve for the day, even if it's something as simple as do some laundry or wash your hair today. If I do them and I get to tick them off my list, it reminds myself that you did it today, you did that, you achieved that, and I'm not just a walking zombie. You're not well, you know that, but look what you achieved today. You did something, whereas everything in your body is telling you to just stay in bed, but you got up against all odds and achieved something like doing your laundry or washing your hair, which takes a lot of energy and effort out of you. So well done, you did it. That's an achievement. Doesn't matter how big or small the thing is, it's an achievement. So that's something that I do. If you suffer from any types of illnesses as well, that it's incredibly debilitating, it makes everything hard. This is something that's just worked for me. If I just write down something little and I do it, then I feel okay, and I feel like, okay, I've done it, and then now you can lie down and I don't feel guilty about it. Even though I shouldn't feel guilty at all for looking after myself and doing what I need to do for my health. I just have this mentality that I'm like, I feel guilty even though my body is in excruciating pain. It just doesn't feel nice to just lie there and not do anything. So enough rambling. That's just a little trick that I do to help me. Okay, so I'm hungry, so I'm going to make some tandoori maple wings, but vegan though. I picked this up at the Vegan Expo. This is Tully's Easy Vegan Tandoori Premium Wrap. By the way, if you are following Tully's on Instagram or everything that they do, you absolutely should. So talented, amazing hair, amazing charisma. So I got this and I picked up another spices as well from Tully's, and it came with this book and it has like a bunch of recipes in it to use the spices with. I'm gonna make the tandoori maple wings vegan, gluten-free, and I'm going to make some rice with it as well, just like an extra side. So let's get into it.